The biggest mistake you can make with AI is publishing content that you don't edit and you don't weave yourself into it. If you don't add internal links, if you don't optimize it, and you don't make it actually look, feel, and sound like it's from you, the content's gonna fall flat. Google prioritizes valuable, original, human-created content. AI is a tool. It's a starting point. It's not the end-all, be-all.
AI, of course, makes a lot of these tasks easier, and we've added a lot of those kind of features in RightBlogger, including MyTone, which actually makes your own writing style based on writing samples you have, so it can sound more like you. We also optimize behind the scenes all of the articles that are written in RightBlogger to be SEO optimized, and we even added an option to add internal links from your site, so the content fits naturally into your existing content strategy. But there's a major caveat there. A lot of people stop there and they just publish their posts without editing them or even reading their posts. This is a huge mistake. If you're looking to publish AI written articles in a bulk fashion or not even reading them, why are you even blogging in the first place? It's just a first stepping stone to make that great piece of content. Then you can actually work in your own stories, thoughts, and opinions into the article. Just think of it as the first draft to your next great article.
We have a ton of tools inside RightBlogger that we've built for this exact purpose. The meta title writer, the meta description generator, the permalink generator. A lot of these tools are going to help point you in the right direction, but human oversight is always essential to making sure your content's actually going to connect with real readers and search engines alike. Now, if you want to learn more about how to inject yourself into the AI content creation process and find that blend that works perfectly for real humans and search engines, we invite you to join our free course, AI Foundations, where you can sign up and go through our lessons that are going to teach you the SEO basics and how to marry your experiences with AI to create genuinely great content. You can find the link to join our free course in the description below.